I've added color to the Python text adventure game engine, and I'll demonstrate it using the new Young Sheldon adventure. Here we've got bright white and green. And that's it for now for the colors. I'll show you how I did it. Let's look at the commit. So first, I created a new module called color.py, and in it I created a couple functions, colored and bright, and I'll show you how I use it. The color module that I wrote and the main game module use the colorama library, which is here, and it makes it easier to use the ANSI escape codes that allow us to implement color in a terminal. I don't have a Windows computer anymore, so I don't know whether this works on Windows, but according to the Colorama documentation, if you call init colorama, it sets it up to work on Windows. Now for the changes I made to the code, let's take a look here. I used to just print the introduction. Now I print the introduction passed to the new bright function. Same thing here, the location. And here I'm calling the new colored function to color this green. Let's take another look at this. So when you call colored, you pass it a color ANSI code and then the message, and then it returns that color ANSI code followed by the message, followed by a reset, so that the color change won't remain in effect. And then bright just calls colored with this particular color. Okay, there we go. So that's adding color to the Python text adventure game engine using Colorama and a new module.